If you are wondering why shorters are attacking AMC and APE so much right now, look at the estimated share price after conversion and reverse split. Post reverse split, shares will be 10x more scarce to locate at 10x the price. Things are about to get a lot worse for shorters. Speaking of getting a lot worse for shorters, a broker-dealer with failed to deliver positions for 13 consecutive settlement days must immediately close out the failed to deliver position by purchasing the shares in the open market. Some investors consider these stocks as possible short squeezes. What is going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm going to try and make this a relatively quick video. I won't have time to upload an entire video later. However, I will be updating you on YouTube Shorts and I will be in Discord all day. So make sure to just have post notifications on or be in the Discord. That will be linked in the description. If you find value out of the video, please hit the like. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get into it. So this is exactly right. A broker-dealer with failed to deliver positions for 13 consecutive settlement days must immediately close out the failed to deliver position by purchasing shares in the open market. That's it. Nada, nothing, no way around it, no loopholes. AMC has been on the threshold securities list, the NYSE threshold securities list, for its 9th consecutive day. You see it listed right here, February 14th. 4 more days, and failed to deliver positions must be immediately closed by purchasing shares in the open market. This is something to keep on your radar. In the open market, they must be closed out. AMC only once has been on this list for 12 consecutive days, and right now we are at 9. If we hit 13, which I believe may be Tuesday next week, then the second half of next week, AMC could go parabolic. Now, according to Stock Tracker, real quick, 0 shares available to borrow, and we are losing badly on the options chain. 5,000 calls compared to 112,000 puts expiring in the money. However, there is a lot of calls out of the money if the share price decides that it wants to start scaling up. Short exempts actually got a lot lower, I think, because the volume decreased and we broke back in the descending resistance. All that FOMO kind of disappeared. However, the short percentage rose 69.7%. As for the short interest, 23.32%. Short interest is rising. Utilization is maxed out, and the cost to borrow is parabolic, 415% average. So a short seller is paying at least 4 times their position, and the max is 705%. So somebody out there is paying 7 times their position right now just to borrow shares against AMC. As for APE, 6.6% short interest utilization is dropping 86%, and the average cost to borrow is sitting at 9%, while the max is at 12.5. Now, a quick look at the chart. AMC is up 10% on the day, sitting at $4.96. We recently broke back in the descending resistance that we've been in for 2 years and got a little bit of a hammer candle, and now we re-broke out of this channel, and it looks like a solid pop right off of this descending resistance level. So TA could be a little off. AMC could have broken out, came back down, and as soon as it broke under this resistance, it probably cut a lot of people's stops who are day trading this stock, saying, okay, it went back in the descending resistance, it's not going to base off of this and bounce. And then guess what? It trapped them, got them out, it based off of this and bounced. And we are up 10.11% on the day. The important thing is to take a look exactly where it bounced. Right at $4.50, at least for this green candle. We got saved at $4.40 right down here. We did not get this gap fill. However, these gaps don't always have to be filled. This is a runaway gap, so it is a positive thing to see. We ripped up, got rejected on the channel, broke out of the channel, came back down based on the channel, and now we just have to break over those levels again at $5.30, and then finally the high at $7, and then we are going to be looking golden going forward. As for GameStop, a beautiful setup, up 4.23% on the day. We got a bounce right off of this second support trend line right here, and we came up to exactly what I said, right around $21. We're looking for a break over that to come back and retest the top of this channel right around 24 for GameStop. But as of now, GameStop is looking solid. If it ping-pongs back and forth until it has a sympathy play from AMC, I would be fine with seeing that as well for GameStop. As for the S&P 500, still trading in the channel, 412.41, kind of hanging around sideways on the day. It's fighting major resistance right here. We are looking for a move one way or the other, again, for the SPY to figure out where it wants to go. I'm looking for a break over 420 or a break under 400 to see if the SPY is going to continue a bull rally or jump back into a bear market and essentially find a bottom going forward. Now I'm going to play a clip for you. It's Adam Aaron, so don't click off the video. It's an important clip. Somebody tagged me in it on Twitter, and he got asked a few questions that I think you would like to hear, touching on the fails to deliver on APE, touching on share intel, basically just touching on naked shorting within the company. And a few things to bring up is that he claims the 43 million fails to deliver. They actually contacted the NYSE and they said, you know, they had these fails to deliver, but it wasn't really a problem because they slowly covered them, right? right? They failed to deliver first, and then they slowly covered them. He basically just gave out BS, kind of, you know, this is how market works type answer. Maybe that's what the NYSE gave him. That's probably what they did give him. However, it's a little bit different on APE, and shareholders know that, because if they received those on day one, that means they did not own AMC because they did not get it 1-to-1. So a lot of retail is still going to be pissed about this question. He goes on about share intel, and he says, you know, we thought about share intel very carefully, and we just think that it wouldn't be beneficial to shareholders or the company. And then Wes Christian, the guy who's been fighting against naked short selling for 20 years, Adam Aaron basically says his cases suck. His track record's not too hot. He's been doing this for 20 years, and how many cases have he won? I'm gonna play this clip for you, and then I'm gonna end the video. Before you click off the video, make sure to get 15 free stocks. If you want them, all you have to do is open an account using my link down below. Download Moo on your phone or computer, and once you deposit any amount in there, it can be a penny, it can be $1. So go in your room, find a penny, put it in your bank, open an account so you can get free stocks. Again, that link will be pinned in the comments or linked in the description down below. Also, you'll get free level 2 order book data and a bunch of other benefits. Also, guys, I love talking with my subscribers, but a lot of the comments don't get shown to me as a notification anymore. So please, if you want to talk back and forth with me more often, join the Discord down below, guys. There's a ton of other benefits to joining it as well. Let's roll that clip.
Is AMC a still victim of the predatory short selling?
Sure, because there are just as many short sales now as there were 2 years ago.
Okay, so we are still
Over 100 million short sales.
okay. And
Right around 100 million.
okay, 43 million failed to deliver as soon as APE was introduced, and 90% of buying orders are sent to the dark market or dark floor, according to Gary Gensler. And maybe 100 to 1,000% of cost to borrow, according to OPEX.
Right.
AMC has been threshold security list.
Right.
AMC 100% utilization for 1 year.
Right.
Do you still believe there is no reliable evidence of fraudulent short selling, or AMC is a victim of any sort of share price manipulation?
So that's a very complicated question. Okay. So on the failed to deliver,
Okay.
we checked with the New York Stock Exchange. Okay. They said that it failed to deliver on the first day of trading. It was very high, but it was not never delivered. It just took a little bit longer than their normal standard. I think the normal standard is 2 days. And they told us that the failed to deliver settled on the 3rd or 4th day. So it wasn't like 43 million failed to deliver forever. It's just a little slow to happen. So they said there was nothing wrong with it. On the fact that the cost to borrow is so high, that's one of the reasons why the short interest has stayed pretty constant. It hasn't grown because people can't borrow more stock to short. So that also is explained. What was in there as well?
Also, again, next question is like I know like probably like lots of people talking about Wes Christian sharing intel. Why do you like again lots of investors requesting forensic analysis to rule out maybe there is no like illegal activity?
We've looked into his career. He's all talk.
I became Wes Christian.
He makes all these claims about the fraud he sees in companies. We actually look to see what cases he's won.
Okay.
He's been at this for 20 years. Okay. There's not a very good track record there of success. So this is more, I think, to bamboozle all of you than it is to help the company.
Okay. But you think it's going to be cause a harm if we do share intel?
I want to be careful what I say about share intel because I don't want to slander them. Okay. Let me just say, we've looked at it very carefully. Okay. We don't think that the company or our shareholders would benefit if we hadn't. And we looked at it.
Okay, that's your opinion.
Yeah.
And also, again, it came back to the original. Again, I appreciate that you really tried to be sincere and try to answer my tough question.
I got it.
And you stated, I promise you will be found when time is